1 year ago, Sophie felt trapped by her financial struggles. Late one restless night, while scrolling through YouTube, frustrated by her 9 to 5 and rising debt, she discovered the Retire Rich channel. In a moment of desperation, she reached out and asked, "How can I stop losing money in binary options? Is there a strategy that really works?" The truth is that most traders fail because they gamble. They take random, emotional shots without a proper plan. But with structure and discipline, everything can change. I introduced Sophie to a proven 12-step binary option strategy that transformed her trading from chaos into a reliable, profitable process. Step 1 is simple. Pick one asset and master it. Sophie chose the euro to US dollar pair and committed to understanding its every move. In step 2, she learned to use 1-minute charts that capture fast, clear signals for precise entries. Step 3 requires trading only during active sessions like London and New York, when the market truly moves. In step 4, Sophie combined the power of two technical indicators, the RSI, which shows momentum, and the MACD, which confirms trends. This duo helped her avoid making poor trades. For step 5, she adopted a simple rule: always wait for the candle to close before entering a trade, building her patience and ensuring confirmation. Step 6 is about following the trend, never fighting against what the market is doing. Step 7 emphasizes risk management. Trade using only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. This rule safeguarded her from large losses. Step 8 meant avoiding major news events that can create unpredictable swings. Then in step 9, she began keeping a detailed trade journal to analyze every decision. Step 10 taught her to never engage in revenge trading after a loss. Instead, she learned to step back and reassess. Step 11 requires setting strict daily win and loss limits. Once those are hit, it's time to step away. Finally, step 12 is a weekly review of all trades to refine and improve the strategy. Sophie isn't a genius, nor was she simply lucky. By following this system, she now trades with confidence and moves ever closer to financial freedom. If you're tired of gambling with your money, join us at Retire Rich. Like this video, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready to trade smarter. Let's build your financial freedom, one smart step at a time.